Recent data shows that 29% of Americans are behind on oil changes and 44% are behind on tire rotations. Marketing a dealership service department is not as sexy as showing off your inventory, but its time has come, and for more reasons than just Americans being behind on service, welcome to Trade Pending TV. There are two great reasons to ramp up the marketing of your service specials. Reason number one, we as a country collectively just need a kick in the pants to remind ourselves to get our oil changed and get our tires rotated. I know I'm preaching to the choir here that this basic service just goes a long way in maintaining the health of a vehicle. So there's a ton of opportunity here to help and grow the bottom line while you are at it. Speaking of being more profitable, that's reason number two to put more attention on service marketing right now. As you know, the outsized gross profits on car sales have been waning, and as interest rates stay high on vehicle financing and your floor plan costs, there's a great chance you're making less margin on sales right now. It is no secret that service departments boost margins in the bottom line, so why not put more emphasis on growing that side of the business? So what do you do now? Do these two things. First, just start simple. Send a plain text email to all of your customers. If you want to get fancy, segment that list by date of last service. But that plain text email should be short and to the point and showcase your specials on oil changes and tire rotations. We're going to throw an example in the description or the comments for you. Very important side note here. Make sure that the prices in your email match what you've got on your website, your social media ads, your posts, your about page, Google business profile, etc. Transparent and consistent pricing is going to win you business, FYI. Now, to help your service customers truly understand that yes, they need service or a tire rotation, or it's time to replace those tires, don't just tell them. Show them. Use video to show exactly what's great, what's almost worn out, and what needs to be replaced or repaired right now. Seeing is believing. We'll see you next time.